Hi plant friends, I'm back plant shopping at Heeman's. Grab yourself a snack or a beverage, sit back and relax. I've not been here for a while, so I'm going to go through and see all the goodies that they've got. First up is the AMAC, and I love this plant. It's priced at $450, but it does have 5 beautiful plants in the pot. In my area, this is a hard to find plant and the price definitely reflects that. But they also have this little beauty, just one plant in a pot for $100. This old man cactus is only $25. They also have the silver torch, 3 plants in a pot for $70. I'm always drawn to these carbon cactus. I find them so spiky, very dangerous, only $70. I find these so interesting though. More cactus priced at $25. This one looks like a little baby barrel cactus. These Peruvian cactus are quite fun, especially when they're about to bloom. They bloom at night and the flowers only last for one night and it smells amazing. This guy's $80. Guess what? Mine bloomed last night. Plant friends, if you've been watching my shopping videos for a long time, you might remember this plant. I purchased it at Vandermeer. It was in a clearance section with a bunch of goodies. I think I probably paid about $20 for this plant. They also have the Livingstone plants. This one is the split rock and it's only $10. The Lithops are also priced at $10 and these pots are nice and full and look very healthy. This one's a Smith leaf plant and it's also $10. Remember, these plants are low maintenance. They don't require a lot of water. They've got Cebu Blues. They're in a 4-inch pot for $20. These cuttings are well rooted. There's a lot of roots coming out of this pot. Time for a repotting. I also have loads of Sansevierias at Heeman's. Wow, let's get into these. Their samurais are only $12. Look at this variegated whale-fin Sansevieria. Wow, what a beauty, and it's only $50. The Nissouri is priced at $35 and this one's in a 6-inch pot. These Sansevieria lawrence are in a 10-inch pot. They're priced at $50. Man, those leaves are so attractive. They also have loads of philodendron. Now the philodendron that really caught my eye today is the Ring of Fire. Look at these beauties, and they're only $50. The variegation on the leaves are quite stunning. Check out the foliage on this beauty. I'm always so drawn to these yellowy greens, very attractive. At first I thought this was a painted lady, but when I looked at the tag, it's called Calkins Gold and it's $50. Another plant with gorgeous foliage. This is the Sarcissus mirabilis. They've got it here for $50. I like the price for their pink princesses. These are in a 4-inch pot and they're only $30. Now look at those leaves. Their philodendron Kathleen is only $10. She's also in a 4-inch pot. This one's tagged as Pluto Gold for $15. This pot is so nice and bushy. I've been seeing this one a lot on Instagram. It's so tempting. I love the chocolatey color. It's only $15 for a caramel philodendron. They also have the Rhaphidophoraiis. I love that the prices are coming down on some of these plants. It's only $15. Nestled in between the Calatheas, this little orange flower looks so appealing. Tagged as Flowering Chrysanthera, only $4. Calathea is only $10. Remember to not let your Calatheas dry out for too long. They like it slightly moist. Calathea zebrina is only $10. Check out the leaves on these network Calatheas. They're so lush. They're only $30. They're in a 6-inch pot, and look, the pots are nice and full. $25 for the rattlesnake Calathea. If you're into ferns, they also have a nice selection to choose from. This bird nest fern is only $20. The staghorn fern is reasonably priced, $7. I like the care instructions on this one. Diffuse light and soak for 10 to 20 minutes. These are their Hoya Croniana Black, $25 for these babies. Guess what? Hoyas are pet friendly. One of my favorite Hoyas is the Hoya Macrophylla albomarginata. They're priced at $35. Now this one has a little bit of a wonky leaves, but if you search through, they've got some good ones in there. This is what I like about this plant. Sometimes you'll get leaves that are completely albo. They'll eventually fall off, but they're fun while growing. This is a nice Hoya to see. It's the Hoya linearis for $40. This is a nice pot of the Hoya carnosa, $30. These Wayetias are quite tangled. They've got some good length on them. They're priced at $30. The leaf on this pubic calyx is so nice and splashy. Then I looked at the tag. It's called speckled pubic calyx, $35. $50 for the variegated Hoya compacta. The only thing about these is that I wished if they were a little bit more trailing. Their Hoya Shepherdii are quite trailing. Lots of tendrils on these beauties, and they're only $25. Hoya Chelsea with the gorgeous leaves, only $20. This one's tagged as Hoya gracilis, but it's also known as Hoya memoria. Don't sleep on this beauty. The bloom's actually quite nice, and it's only $20 for this plant. $20 for the Crimson Queen. Now I like the variegation on this one. There's a nice balance between the albo and the green. At first I thought these were Hoya Kentiana, but they're tagged as Hoya Wayerii. They're variegated, $20. This little cutie is new to me. It's Hoya Rosita, $25. I have to say the Hoyas with the dark margins are in right now. Last shopping tour we saw a Hoya dark margin, and now this Rosita has a nice dark margin around the edge of the leaves. Very striking. One of my little faves as well is the Hoya Pachaclada. They only have a few of these left, and they're priced at only $10. These black pagoda lipstick plants used to be so hard to find. Now I think I've seen them at every store. They're only $25 here. The Twisted Rasta lipstick plant is only $5. For some reason, I really enjoy seeing these peperomias in bloom, and they're only $10. They also have the Peperomia tricolor at $10. This must be a sought-after peperomia because it's priced at $40. It's called Diamond Peperomia. Plant friends, comment below and let me know if you've been looking for this beauty. This one's Alocasia sinuata for $40. Remember, with these alocasias, you want to keep them slightly moist. Don't let them dry out too much. What a gorgeous leaf. It's the Alocasia reginae for $50. I really enjoy flowers, but there's something about the Alocasia foliage that really pulls you in. This one's the Alocasia Maharani. It's only $30. I think these Alocasia Red Secrets are priced right. $30 for these beauties. They also have these Alocasia azulanii for only $40. The leaves on these black velvets are so gorgeous. Some of them are quite big. Guess what? The plants are priced at only $10. The silver dragons are also looking very yummy. Only $15 for these. Just noticed a fresh cart was just pulled out, so let's take a sneak peek and see what's being restocked. $15 for the baby ZZ plants. They also have the Marble Queen pothos for $10. Now these little 2-inch pots look interesting. They're quite wedged in there. It's a string of pearls. This one's priced at $8. The string of hearts, also $8. The variegated string of pearls too. They also have loads of rubber plants. $6 for the Ficus burgundy. This Ficus ruby is also looking really good for $6. Tucked in between, they've got the Ficus taniki, also $6. Now these Ficus Altissima yellow gems were potted up nicely. They're standards and they're priced at $50. If you're looking for the Ficus ambulata, they also have them for $10. At first I thought these were Cebu Blues, but they're actually Dragon Tail Pothos, $80, and they're on a totem pole. But you could also get your hands on a 4-inch pot for $12. Philodendron Brazil is also $12. Here we've got the Philodendron Goldie Eye in a 6-inch pot for $25. Who do we have here with this gorgeous foliage? It's the Philodendron Jungle Boogie for $25. There's a lot of growth on this silver sword, and there's 2 plants in the pot. They've got these priced for $30. These fuzzy petioles are looking so much grown compared to when they were first introduced on the market. $50 for these beauties, and they're in a 6-inch pot. These guys are freshly watered. Let's start off with the Philodendron Splendid, $50 for this one. The Philodendron Melanochrysum is also $50. Wow, look at this baby. It's a Philodendron Prince of Orange. Gorgeous. These leaves are really striking. This baby's in a nice size pot, 8 inches, and it's priced at $40. They also have the Moonlight in 10-inch pots for $65. They also have these ginormous philodendrons. They're on display in the center of the store. And you know what? It has a price tag, $500. So if you've got space, you can take this baby home. Now they have this large pitcher plant. It's not for sale, but I had to stop and admire it. I've never seen a plant with so many pictures on it. I was also impressed by these monsteras. The leaves were nicely fenestrated. They're also in a 14-inch pot, and you can take this baby home for $80. This one's labeled as Anthurium hookery. It's variegated, $40. Tucked in the back, they've got the Anthurium arrow, $20. Check out the foliage on this Anthurium King of the Jungle. This is a nice large plant for $20. Plant friends, they also have the Anthurium Jacqueline. Now, if this is on your wish list, you can grab it here for $120. The leaves on these, the texture, it's quite intriguing. They also have the Gloriosum for $150. Look at these lush leaves. They also have the Philodendron Painted Ladies. These are in a 6-inch pot. The plants are quite a nice size, only $70. Plant friends, I've never seen such a large halo beauty. I had to stop and take a look at this plant. This plant was so humongous, and they've got it priced at $35. These Sansevieria golden nuggets were quite the rage last year. They've got them marked down right now to only $10. Our final plant for today are these cobweb Sansevieria. They've really caught my eye. And these plants are cold hardy, so this is something that I can plant on the balcony in my planter box, and it will come back year after year. They're only $3.50. Plant friends, on this shopping trip I couldn't resist. I had to pick up a few plants. I picked up this split rock looking nice and lush for $10. I also picked up the golden nugget for $10. I can't wait to plant this on the balcony and see how it comes back for next year. And the cobweb, I couldn't resist. This one had to come home with me as well, and it was reasonable for only $3. Thanks for watching, plant friends. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment, and follow me on Instagram at Life of Bellina.